going uphill.
Yeah.
She already ran today like a lot.
And then they do have a flower.
So we take that grass, dry it out, and then it becomes the roof. We're on the bridge.
Yeah.
You see, this is the one, the area that I was talking about, where they can take a picture. Up there are more grasses. Whenever
We can go?
you can check it out, but be careful with slippery. Yeah, they can make a kind of photo blog, or even sometimes some people they love to taking a pre-wedding picture
Yeah.
just by the grasses. Oh, it's good fun.
Those are, I think those were just pheasants.
Up there as well.
Oh, people looking out. Yeah.
All looking out to the jungle.
There's so many different forms of nature on this island. There's the beach, there's the jungle, there's
See, down there, the big hotel.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
All overlooking to the jungle.
Jungle Hotel.
You want to make another photograph together?
Yeah, let's do it.
yeah, it kind of is like an Instagram tour.
So did you book to get your guide too?
No, we booked through Airbnb Experience.
Look back. So that's the big faces that we call it Boma. Boma, which is Boma in our philosophy.
Okay.
Some good quality one, maybe just one glass, will be get drunk.
Really? On one glass? Wow. Does it taste good or does it taste just too strong?
Very strong.
Look at this dog.
And then when you put a fire, it will be burned.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, this is the front part.
Nice.
So always, you may see always a kind of the door, or the entrance, the open gate like this. So this is, we call it Candi Bentar, which is it symbolizes that we are Bali, we do open for everything to come in.
But then it says no entrance.
Yeah, because this will be for, just for the worshipper only. not allowed to everyone get access to get in.
It's pretty in there.
What are we about to do, man?
We're about to do the sky bike. So we're gonna ride on this tightrope across the rice terrace.
So it'll be hardest thing.
Yeah.
Pedal.
And then no pedal, slowly. Pedal.
All right. Riding a bike above the rice paddy terraces and the jungles of Bali. All right, a little shaky, but I think we got it. Zipping. Trying to keep my balance. I think they just grabbed the rope because I was wiggling too much. I guess doing it with one hand isn't ideal. All right. Beautiful though. Beautiful up here. I'm glad it stopped raining. Miriam's up next. She's gonna love it. Unless she gets stuck halfway and starts to scream and freak out. Nah, she'll do great. Miriam, you good? You excited? You're gonna love it. All right, Miriam. Woo! Yes, good exercise. Keep going, keep fiddling. Keep going.
So I'm on the sky bike right now. This view is so crazy. So cool. Wow. Amazing. It's so beautiful here.
All right, so here comes Miriam. She's going much faster. She's got the GoPro in her hand. She's got a big smile. She's super confident. Looking awesome. Woo! Good job, babe. Press the top button once.
Ginger cloves and mint leaves in a tea. This is my new favorite tea. It's like mint and spices and warm. It's so rich in flavor.
All right, it's lunchtime. I'm about to have a variation of what I've had the last couple of days with the nasi goreng. This is buhan goreng. I'm probably butchering that. I don't know exactly what it is because they took the menu away. But it's same components, just different variation. This is the fried glass noodles. This is the chicken satay. Got some rice cake. Got some egg. Instead of just the egg on top, this looks like it's fried egg. And then veggies. And a bintang.
So I ordered the fried fish for lunch. It comes with this tomato type of sauce, some veggies, steamed veggies underneath, and some rice.
Miri destroyed that fish. I love to see you like that. That was a cremation procession.
So we're having dinner at Table Talk. It's the restaurant right outside of our hotel, and I got a lemongrass ginger tea with some honey. It's amazing, very flavorful. Ginger's not too strong, but a really good lemongrass taste. And then we got a rock.
Arak. It's basically moonshine. This stuff's hella strong. Tastes like moonshine. I don't know what they cut it with, but sweeten it up a little bit. The first time I had to kind of back up off it a little bit because it's so strong.
We got a salad with some chicken, bacon, avocado. Looks amazing. And then the spaghetti pesto. And both of these were under $3.
Prices in Bali, I don't know what you heard. Bali's expensive. It's crazy. I don't know. It's really affordable. I'm not sure where these people have been staying at or how they've been paying all this money, but I'm staying at a beautiful place. Got amazing food. The vibes are right. It's just awesome. You can tell how good that is, but these are some pork ribs that look amazing. It looks like just like the pictures that we saw before we came here. But I'm gonna try it out. I'll be right back and let you know how it goes.
It's so good. It's like a sweet barbecue that roasted so well that it like falls off the bone. The meat is so soft.
That's a clean boat. Really like the pasta delicious. These are some of the best pork ribs ever.